Hello, everyone, and welcome to Unreal English Podcast. I'm Alex, and today we have a very calm and relaxing topic.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah. I'm so happy to see you here. If you are learning English and want to speak naturally, this episode is for you.
Yes, today we are going to talk about yoga classes and meditation. We will speak slowly, use simple words, and show you how to talk about your body, mind, and feelings in English.
Yoga is a good way to feel calm, stretch your body, and relax your mind. Meditation is also very helpful to focus and feel peaceful.
We will pretend we are in a yoga class together. We will talk about what happens before, during, and after yoga.
We will also give you some easy phrases and words to use in English when you talk about yoga or meditation.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell to get our new podcasts every week.
And please write in the comments, do you practice yoga? We really want to know.
Are you ready to feel calm and relaxed?
Yes, let's start our yoga and meditation journey. Alex, imagine we are going to a yoga class. What do you do first?
First, I put on comfortable clothes. Yoga clothes are soft and stretchy.
Yes, you need comfortable clothes to move easily.
And then I take my yoga mat.
Good. I also take a water bottle.
Yes, water is important. Yoga can make you sweat.
Do you like to stretch before yoga?
Yes, I like to stretch my arms and legs a little before class.
Great. This helps your body warm up and prevent injuries.
Hi, Sarah. You look ready for yoga.
Hi, Alex. Thank you. You too. Are you excited?
Yes, I am. I want to feel calm and relaxed today.
Me too. Yoga is a good way to reduce stress.
Yes, some people come to yoga to exercise, some to meditate, and some to do both.
I like both, moving and feeling peaceful.
Good idea. Let's put our mats on the floor.
Yes, next to each other.
Okay, the teacher says, let's start with deep breathing. Sit comfortably.
Yes, I sit cross-legged and close my eyes.
The teacher says, take a deep breath in and out. Slowly.
I feel my body relax a little.
Me too. My shoulders feel lighter.
Good. Now the teacher says, stretch your arms up to the sky.
Wow, this feels good. My back feels long.
Yes, stretching helps your muscles.
The teacher says, now bend forward slowly.
Ouch! My back feels a little tight.
It's okay. Move slowly and don't force your body.
Yes, yoga is not about fast movement. It's about feeling comfortable and calm.
The teacher says, now we do the tree pose. Stand on one leg and put your foot on your other leg.
I try. I feel wobbly.
Yes, balance is difficult at first.
The teacher says, keep your hands together in front of your chest. Breathe slowly.
I try to focus. Deep breaths help me stay steady.
Good. Tree pose is nice for balance and concentration.
Now the teacher says, let's do the cat-cow pose.
Ah, yes. On hands and knees, arch your back like a cat, then lower like a cow.
This feels very good for my spine.
Yes, I feel my back stretching and relaxing.
Yoga is not only exercise, it also helps your mind.
Yes, I feel calm and happy.
The teacher says, now we do meditation. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing.
I close my eyes and take a deep breath.
I feel calm. All my worries disappear for a few minutes.
Yes, I feel peaceful. Meditation is like resting your mind.
The teacher says, think of something nice, maybe a beach, a mountain, or a calm river.
I imagine a calm beach. I hear the waves in my mind.
I imagine a forest. The birds are singing. I feel happy.
This is my favorite part of yoga, feeling calm inside.
Yes, yoga is good for your body, mind, and spirit.
Wow, the class is finished. I feel relaxed.
Me too. My body feels soft and my mind is clear.
I feel happy. I want to do yoga every day.
Yes, even 10 minutes a day can help.
Let's drink some water and talk about how we feel.
Good idea. I feel calm, relaxed, and happy.
Yes, and my muscles feel good.
We can also practice meditation at home.
Yes, sit for a few minutes, breathe slowly, and imagine something nice.
Okay, friends, let's practice some English phrases from today's yoga class.
Listen and repeat after us. I feel calm and relaxed. Take a deep breath in and out. Stretch your arms up to the sky. Yoga helps my body and mind. Meditation makes me peaceful.
Good. Try to use these phrases every day.
Yes, even small sentences are very useful.
Yoga and meditation give you practice for your body and English.
Okay, let's play a small quiz.
Yes, yoga and meditation quiz.
Question 1. What pose did I try first?
Tree pose?
Correct. Question 2. What do we focus on in meditation?
Our breathing.
Good. Listeners, your turn. What is one benefit of yoga? Write in the comments below.
And don't forget to like this video if you learned something new today. Wow, that was a very relaxing class today.
Yes, we talked about yoga, meditation, stretching, breathing, and feelings.
And we practiced many useful sentences in easy English.
Let's repeat the key phrases one more time. I feel calm and relaxed. Take a deep breath in and out. Stretch your arms up to the sky. Yoga helps my body and mind. Meditation makes me peaceful.
Perfect. Remember to practice every day, even for 5 to 10 minutes.
And please subscribe to Unreal English so you don't miss our next episodes.
Next time, we will talk about healthy eating conversations, another real-life English talk.
Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.